In this lesson, you will be developing your color theory knowledge and using color schemes. It is helpful if you have created a color wheel with the same materials you will use in this task, as it will be helpful to refer to the color wheel when you are making color schemes. Color schemes are color combinations that will create different aesthetic effects. The first color scheme we will use is complementary. These are colors that are opposite each other on the color wheel and will create a vibrant effect. Start by creating different combinations of complementary color. You can use this later as a menu to choose colors from for your work. After you have completed the color schemes, choose one of the complementary color schemes and practice applying this to the design. You must not use more than the 2 colors you have selected, otherwise it is not a complementary color scheme. Remember, this does not mean you cannot use different tones of the same colors. For example, in this design I am creating gradients with light and dark tone with purple. Try to apply skills you have developed to this task, and do not just color in the words in solid hues. The next color scheme is analogous. These are colors directly next to each other on the color wheel. This will create a soothing effect. Analogous colors mix very well together, so you can create gradients easily. An example of this color scheme is blue, blue-green, and green. A common mistake my students make is that they skip the tertiary colors, so don't make that mistake. Tertiary colors are the colors in between a primary and a secondary color and made by mixing these together. When you add the details, try using some new techniques, such as Bend-Aid dots, which are small dots used to create the effect of a wider area of color. Earlier commercial printers, especially those used for comic books, used these to save costs on ink. Famously, the pop art artist Roy Lichtenstein used Bend-Aid dots in his large-scale paintings of comics to reference the commercial printing process. See what techniques you can add to your design while sticking to your chosen color scheme. The next color scheme is triadic color scheme. These colors are equally spaced away from each other, creating a triangle shape on your color wheel. These will give a vibrant effect, as the colors are very different. This color scheme is used a lot in pop art. An easy way to remember triadic color combinations is to remember that the primary colors are a set of triadic colors, as are the secondary colors. For this example, I tried to experiment with using a wider range of techniques. I chose the color scheme using red, yellow, and blue. After you complete all 3 color scheme examples, have a look at the overall effect. Which color scheme do you prefer? Of which one will be more suitable for your final piece? Each color scheme creates a different effect, and making informed choices will help you plan impressive art pieces.